Hello, myself Sunil Ramakrishnan Nair, and here basically we are discussing about the currency department basically. Uh, so the discussion basically was going of India basically, that person is going, that is India, that person which is going, that is Dubai. That basically we have already discussed. We have discussed that also basically, that that particular 22 people basically are basically from different blood groups basically, that has converted into the human basically. And then basically, sorry, that 22 blood group basically has been converted into the each and every data basically, that is for example Vadodara city has converted into the Vadodara energy has converted into the Vadodara blood group basically has converted into 22 blood group basically. So 22 people basically has been created. So like this 22 people basically has created for the blood group basically. So that thing basically we have already discussed. Now basically we are discussing here in currency department, sorry, in currency basically, energy basically, what we should take care basically. Then he told that basically currency actually what currency do basically. That basically simple question basically he asked. Currency basically we purchase the human needs basically, yeah. Currency basically can purchase the human needs. Then he told that exactly the currency basically purchase the human needs only basically. That is correct basically. But currency basically purchase the human needs. So he told that basically currency basically are connected to what basically. Then he told that basically currencies basically are connected to the each and every banks basically, and each and every banks are basically connected with the World Bank basically. Then he told that exactly basically you are correct. Then basically he told that basically currency basically is connected to you want to say that basically you want to create dirham currency equal to one person basically. You want to allocate that dirham currency or basically INR currency into one person basically, you want to say. Yes, exactly basically, that only basically I want to do. So he told that basically you can allocate this particular person into currency basically, you want to say. So dirham currency is this person basically. Then into that exactly we want to convert this person into the dirham basically. So this person is equal to dirham. I want to say that this person basically which is going there, he is dirham basically. If you want to check about the dirham basically, then you can check basically. So what you want to check basically, that person basically asked the question basically, what basically you want to allocate into the currency energy basically. That person basically asked basically. So for that basically, each and everything basically which you create basically, there should be some meaning basically. So he basically told that basically each and every currency basically are used for the creation purpose only basically. Creation purpose means each and every human needs purpose basically. Then he told that basically yes basically, yeah. So whenever you go to Dubai basically, whenever you purchase from Dubai dirham basically, what are the things basically you purchase? Then he told that whatever the things basically is available in the Dubai basically. Then he told that basically the things basically which are available in Dubai, that only you purchase basically. So whatever Dubai government basically has given the entry of each and every human needs, that only you are going to purchase. The things basically which are not available basically in the Dubai, that basically you are not going to purchase. No, basically you can't purchase from the sky basically. You can't purchase from the boat, you can't purchase from the ship, you can't purchase from the satellite. Dubai land basically is containing these all human needs. So you are going to purchase from Dubai land only basically, right? So whatever things basically are available in the Dubai land, that only basically things you are going to purchase. Then he told that yeah basically that I am going only basically I am going to purchase. Then he told that basically how basically Dubai decides that basically this basically country basically can give water to us. How basically that decides here basically, that is the thing basically, main thing basically, that this country basically can you please give water to Dubai? Then he told that basically yes basically I can, we basically can give water to Dubai. Can you please give this type of foods to Dubai? Then he told that basically yeah we can give the food, this type of foods to Dubai. Can you please give the medicines to Dubai? Then he told that yes we can give the medicines to Dubai. So he told that basically currency equal to human needs, basically, that you can say. Then he told us basically, yes, exactly, basically. So in Dubai basically lots of cars are basically there. Lots of big level companies car basically gets deployed in the Dubai also, basically. Lots of metro trains basically are there. Lots of basically country basically visits the Dubai. Then he told that basically countries basically we can kept as separate, basically, because 22 blood groups basically are there in this world, basically. So we will restrict to that only, basically. We will not go to country level, basically. Country level, if basically in detail basically we want to go, then basically we will go later on. But the main thing is 22 blood groups. On the base of that only basically we are going to discuss the topic here, right? So he told that basically exactly, basically. So 22 blood group basically are there. So currency is equal to basically the human needs. Human needs basically are which are given the entry by that particular government. That government says that basically this human need basically you can have it, and that human need basically is the thing basically which is given by the entry by the government, basically. So the human needs basically which you are basically having in the particular country, basically, or basically particular city, basically, or particular state, basically, or particular country, that is basically approved by the government, basically. That is by default, right, basically. Then he told that basically, yeah, basically that is by default, basically. That is basically by default, which is basically approved by the government, basically. Which is approved by the government, which basically we have not approved, basically. The government has approved it, and government says that basically we have approved it, and we basically have approved the human needs which is going to be inside the country, basically. So he told that basically one person actually told that basically, do you have the knowledge of basically visa system? He told that basically, yes, basically. So this type of people basically gets visa sometime. Few people says that basically this person basically can't get the visa. That's basically connecting to this only, basically, that this type of human needs basically are available in the particular area, particular country, basically. So you will basically get the visa, basically. So one person told that basically the visa things basically are connected to the human needs, basically. For example, one person basically given the applied for the visa. So you want to say that that person basically each and every data basically are checked, and basically told that basically these things basically are according to the human needs, basically he required things basically that basically are available in the market, basically, or it's not available, or basically for which post basically is going according to the post, basically what are the thing human needs which is going to have. So that if the things basically exist, then only basically gets visa, or basically something else basically is there. Then he told that basically this also basically one of the possibility of visa basically is this also basically. So he told that basically the currencies are basically equal to human needs, basically, right? For example, in Dubai, basically, there are basically around, assume that there are around 170 human needs basically which are available, which are basically coming from the 170 countries. Assume, just taking an example. Then he told that basically, yeah, basically for 170 country, basically 170 human needs basically are available. So this currency energy basically is supposed to dump this all thing basically data, that is the human needs. And human needs basically, if I say basically Vadodara city is generating one human needs, this also basically you can compare. Then you can basically told that basically, yes, here basically this type of things also basically it can be compared. So in next video basically we are going to see little bit about this only, basically actually what basically the currency energy basically contains, and which currency energy, what basically currency energy can be contained, and which type of thing basically currency energy can contain, and how basically we can design the currency energy, basically that is basically the human basically which is going to generate, or basically it can possible that existing human can take that energy. In next video we are going to see this only.